So now you understood the how to download, set up the how to download and set up the Oracle Virtual and how to install CentOS 9 on VirtualBox. Okay, first download the softwares. Download the softwares. Install the softwares. Okay, so how to download? So what we need to download, guys? So we need to download one is Oracle VirtualBox. What is that? So Oracle VirtualBox, and second one is the second one is VSC plus plus 2019. The third one is CentOS 9 ISO download. What is that? CentOS ISO Oracle VirtualBox software. So where you can download this Oracle VirtualBox software, guys? Where we can download? So we can download Oracle VirtualBox. So Oracle VirtualBox, right? So go to downloads. Yeah, you see. So it will be for Windows or Mac or Linux or Solaris, whatever the distributions. So for ours, so we can use. So right click and copy link address. So this is the URL for Oracle download. So why we need VC plus plus 2019? So this is the dependency software for Oracle VirtualBox software. Okay. We use C++ 2019 is the a dependency software. So these softwares we need to install. So before installing the OS. Okay. VSC plus plus 2019. Copy link address. So this is the VSC plus plus. And where we can download that ISV. CentOS 9 ISO will be 12 GB, guys. So you can download it from the CentOS mirror list. What is that? CentOS 9 ISO download. Yeah, click this CentOS. Yeah, you can use. So DVD ISO that will be a 11 to 12 GB, guys. So this is the one. So copy link address and the paste it here. Okay, so this is the download, and once you download the, you can install the softwares. You can install the, so we can install the softwares. So how you can install the softwares? First, we can install the VSC plus plus 2019. 2019. This software needs to install, because this is the dependency software for, this is the dependency software for, so this is the dependency software for Oracle Virtual Box. Okay. Second one, you can install the Oracle Virtual Box. So the third one, so install CentOS 9 OS on Oracle Virtual or Oracle Virtual Box. Guys, understood? So this is the download the software, install the softwares. Guys, understood? Yeah. So you already downloaded the software, right? So yeah. So I have already installed the software. So how I can uninstall the software first? Control panel. So click the control panel, programs, programs and features. Okay. So here you see 1 second. I want to run in Geo. Yeah, my CentOS, my Linux OS is in shutdown mode. Then I want to remove everything. Remove. So delete all files. It's a node and everything is cleaned up. So first we can uninstall the Microsoft VC 2019 plus plus. So uninstall is, yeah, uninstall. Okay. Then you can try to uninstall the Oracle VirtualBox. Uninstall. Yes. Right. The Oracle VirtualBox is uninstalling. So once that is done, so then we will install the, first we will install the VC++ 2019, then we will install the Oracle VirtualBox, then we will install the CentOS Linux OS on our VirtualBox. Okay. It's a simple Linux will enough. We have to download both VMware and C++. No need a C. Ah, yeah. We need to install that C++ redistributable software and VS Code. Because of, yeah, 2019 is the one we can download the latest one. Narayana.
Sir,
Sorry, I did not hear you. Can you come again?
Yeah. So no need to. So we need a 2019. So that Visual C++ 2019. You shared some picture, right, Narayana?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
So not that one. We need to install the higher one, 2019.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm, Because in my system it is already running the Oracle VirtualBox.
Okay. So you already running VirtualBox, huh?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Which one? Oracle or
7018.
VMware? Yeah, you can directly
Oracle.
install. Sorry,
Oracle 7018.
I didn't get you, Narayana.
I'm
You're
saying
using laptop. Hmm? Center is 7, huh?
it is 9, I think.
Center is 9 you installed, huh?
Yeah.
So you already installed on
I
your
have a
laptop,
different,
huh?
different, yeah, yes, yes,
Flavors, huh?
yes.
Ubuntu, Rocky Linux, CentOS, Red Hat. You installed all these.
Yeah, it has a different VMs. I have multiple VMs. It's not like
Okay.
one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, so I already downloaded the software, guys. So I'm pasting in the chat. So how to download these softwares? So this is the way you can download. Once you click this, right, it will once you once you browse this URLs, it will automatically download.